Benefits of bitter cola for weight loss, weight reduction. This video is about the benefits of bitter cola for weight loss. Bitter cola can be used for weight reduction and produces the best and fast results. Bitter cola, also known as Garcinia cola, is a flowering plant from Central and West Africa. It was identified as an essential antibiotic and has been used centuries and millenniums ago in the treatment of different illnesses. Since every person's dream, especially ladies, is to have a flat tummy and a good body structure and shape, it can be really embarrassing having your tummy protruding in public or gaining unwanted weight that might have changed your shape, which makes you feel so uncomfortable each time you go out. All your efforts of cutting your diet seem to come to no avail, as you always find yourself eating at all times. The benefits of bitter cola for weight reduction are without a doubt huge. If you're the type that doesn't want to go to the gym, you might have taken a lot of weight reduction supplements but none of them seems to work. Well, do not worry, as bitter cola is available to assist you in your weight loss. The following are the benefits of bitter cola for weight loss, but how does it work? Bitter cola works in two best ways. The first way is that bitter cola increases your urge to drink water. Do you know that drinking enough water in a day helps to properly digest your food? One of the causes of that your belly fat is improperly digested food in your tummy, which then settles there and results in unwanted belly fat. By consuming bitter cola, your urge to drink water increases, and when you drink water, your food is properly digested and result in weight loss in your belly. You wouldn't have to worry about that unnecessary fat in your belly again by just eating bitter cola. The second way bitter cola works is that it's a hunger suppressant. Overeating is one of, if not, the main cause of weight gain. If you don't cut down on your daily food intake, it'll be very difficult to lose weight, and this is where bitter cola comes in. Bitter cola is a natural hunger suppressant. What does this mean? Some people overeat because they always feel hungry. Consuming bitter cola will prevent you from getting hungry always. By not always getting hungry, you won't overeat. By not overeating, you lose weight. So this is how bitter cola helps you to lose that annoying weight and belly fat, and it's completely natural and effective. Try it.